development.
I oppose it because Savarkar kneeled down before British, and he was on pension of the British given by, and he tendered the apology. What message will go to the students that if they read the history, then their so-called hero was had tendered apology not once but 6-7 times. One, and second, that he opposed the constitution. That means that a person who was opposing this constitution is going to be declared a hero.
आज़ादी के आंदोलन में एक से एक सेनानी थे जो देश के लिए लड़े, देश के लिए कुर्बानियाँ दी, देश के लिए अपनी जान न्यौछावर की, देश के लिए पूरी अपनी ज़िंदगी लगा दी। वैसे लोगों में से किसी एक के नाम पे अगर वो कॉलेज का नाम रखते या कॉलेज का फाउंडेशन डालते तो उनके लिए एक बहुत बड़ा ट्रिब्यूट होता। लेकिन नरेंद्र मोदी जी और भारतीय जनता पार्टी, क्योंकि उनके पास कोई आइकन्स है नहीं, कोई उनके नेता है नहीं, तो उन लोगों को जो ब्रिटिश राज का साथ दे रहे थे, जो ब्रिटिश राज के लिए माफीनामा लिखे थे।
Detri continues to be with us on the broadcast. Detri, Udit Raj says, I oppose it. Nasir Hussain says BJP has no leaders and icons, and that's why they're naming someone who opposed the constitution. Very sharp reactions coming in from the Congress.
Well, absolutely, Congress is condemning and criticizing this particular move. However, this is not for the first time when it comes to Savarkar and Congress party, who has been always criticizing it, and now we'll further have to see that how the allies also react to it, because earlier during the parliament session also we saw we saw that how Congress leader Rahul Gandhi also have mentioned about Savarkar and the apology letter that he mentioned in the parliament, and not just that, but there was also massive politics erupted when the BJP responded, and then again there were war of words between the BJP and the Congress and the allies of the India bloc as well. But now, as far as the college is concerned, let me tell you that this will be the first college here in the national capital which will be named after Veer Savarkar, and that there was a meeting that was held in the year 2021 when this particular decision was taken that the college will be named after Veer Savarkar. But throughout the years, the decision was just taken, but it was not implemented. Neither the foundation stone was laid. But now, finally, tomorrow, the foundation stone will be laid by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi himself, and also Education Minister and the Vice Chancellor of the Delhi University, Professor Yogesh Singh, will also be present at that particular inaugurations, at that particular foundation ceremony, where this particular along with the college, the two campuses will also be, in fact, the foundation stone of the two campuses will also be laid. So certainly we'll have to see, that what happens next, how the professors also will be reacting to this particular, this new step that has been taken by the Delhi University. However, again, we'll have to see that there are certain group of professors who are, of course, condemning the move. They are saying that this is not certainly a good message that will be sent by the university. They are saying that this is an ideological move, and that the Delhi University is working at the behest of the current.
Absolutely. Now there are multiple reactions coming in. It seems